Hi, I'm Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, here to make your life as a pet parent a bit easier. Today we're talking about dogs that bark very little. Wouldn't that be nice? I have the most perfect non-barker, Abe, who is 9 years old and only barks when necessary. And then I have the gold medalist in barking, and that would be Chico. Chico, we just got 2 years ago, and he came with a huge desire to bark at everything, everyone, every motion that he sees out the window. There are some dogs that are bred by nature to not bark as much. For example, the Chinese Shar-Pei, the Basenji, the Whippet, the Greyhound are all breeds that just bark really when it's necessary. So if you're in the market for a new dog, I would say go to the American Kennel Club's website, akc.org, and research the breed that you think you might want, because it will tell you about their nature, about their personality typically, and what you can expect. If you have a dog at home currently that is a barker like Chico, and it's something we're working on, you can change it to a degree. You can make it better. Just grab a book on training, or even invest a little bit of time and money and work with a trainer. It may take you a long way. So you can always have a perfect little dog like Abe, who's very quiet, or even if you have a barker like Chico, there is always help down the road. So good luck in your search, and we, all three of us, thank you for watching. I'm Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, talking about dogs that bark very little. Have a great day.